Score. Only upset by the arrival of a man and his dog. And look out, those chips aren't going to last long. Oh, no, the dog's gone straight past them. Unusual to see a whole bunch of chips just left there. Maybe they were left for the gulls.
Maybe they dropped and then they didn't hear the gulls.
It's like heaven. It's like manna from heaven. Darling, for the gulls. Come on, you stooges. Get back over there. That's it, mate. Round you come. Oh, no. You think those two people are going to feed you, do you? No. Food's over here, bro.
Oh.
Well, no one ever said, you know, seagulls never said that they were PhD students. No one ever said they had brains.
Oh, they have brains.
Here we go. Here we go. That's how you do it, guys. Now you can resume your political battle here. Who's the boss of the food? It's happy days are here again. And then something else has startled them. I don't know.
They just go to the water and eat the chips. And then when they're done, they go back there.
Oh, yeah, okay. See? No one ever said I was a PhD student either. I'm stupid, yeah. They grab the food, take off, then there's got one in tow here while he's trying to eat it.
Maybe they just feel like it's a pretend fish,
like,
you know?
Like, yeah, that's so funny. Trying to eat it and swim away from this other one, and the other one's just waiting for him to drop it.
Eating is fun.
Classic. I might just drop some oats down for them as well.
Yeah.
And just, yeah.
Let's see if they want them.
See if they want them. Okay, so now Ju and me are just going to spy on these 4 gulls and see what happens. We scattered some oats just on the bank there, on the sandbank. Okay, this one's headed back for more chips. It's like they're fighting and there's about 50 chips there. They're still arguing the point. He's trying to break it into a smaller bit, and it's flicking it around like a, I don't know, throwing it around like a stick.
But the funny thing is when they want, like when there were no one around the chipstick, that they wouldn't go and eat. Like they have to do it together.
It's funny. Now they're all back into the water with their prize, with the booty. I love it.
They don't eat that much. Aren't eating that much.
No. Oh, actually, yes.
Yes, it is.
That one there is. Yep. Yeah. And one over eating the oats.
You filming?
Yeah. Awesome.
That one is smart.
Happy as Larry. I didn't think the oats would get wasted. Now the others are coming over to investigate as well. The simple things in life. Wednesday, August 20, 2025. Snug River. Magic Lake winter day.